Alice, Beth, and Charles share the sum of money. Alice receiving 4 out of 9, okay, of what Beth received. So Alice to Beth, Alice A, Beth B, 4 is to 9, because she received 4/9 of what Beth received. Alright. And the next sentence, Charles received 2/3 as much as Beth. Alright, so 2/3 means that Beth 3, Charles 2. So the ratio to Charles, Beth and Charles, Charles 2, Beth 3. Right, so making them the similar units, so the single subject that has to be the same is supposed to be Beth, 9 and 3. So since 3 is lower, now make 3 goes up to 9 by multiplying by 3. So you can start this off with a ratio Alice to Beth to Charles as 4 is to 9 is to 6. Okay, so I'm going to keep this in units. Okay, because after I noticed that everything else is just transferred between the three of them. Beth gave $420 to Alice. So Alice add 420 or Beth subtract 420. Okay, and another sum of money to Charles. Now this sum of money is unknown to us. Okay, so you can put a question mark there because Beth take away some more money to give to Charles. So Charles must add in the money. So later Charles will have more, Beth will have less, while Alice will have more also. Okay, and since at the start here they are transferring money between the three of them themselves, so the total should stay the same no matter what. Okay, so since none of them spent their money or nobody gave them money, there's no external change. The total number of units of representing the number of total amount of money should be the same before and after. Alright. Next, it's mentioned that all three of them had the same amount of money. Alright. So we can just carry on this by doing 19 divided by 3, which gives us 6 1/3. Alright. So I'm going to write as 6 1/3 units for all three, since all three had the same amount of money. So all three people, each 6 1/3 units. Okay, then I can calculate the difference, okay, which accounts for the $420 that Alice received. So Alice received $420, that's why the number of units increased. So the difference is 2 1/3 units. 2 1/3 units equals to the $420. Okay, now you can express 2 1/3 as an improper, so it will be 7/3 units. Okay, since 420 can divide by 7, I'm going to find 1/3 unit first. So by dividing by 7 down to 1/3, so divide by 7, 420 divided by 7, $60. And so 1 unit would be 3 times of 1/3. This is one whole number, so it's 3 times. 60 times 3. 1 unit represents $180. Okay, and next question asks how much did Beth give to her 2 friends? Okay, so Beth gave to her 2 friends this amount of money, 420 and the question mark. So now question mark we can easily find from here this difference, which is 1/3 unit. Okay, so observe the difference over here, which is 6 1/3 minus 6, simply just 1/3 unit. So just 1/3 unit, okay, represented by the question mark, would be 1/3 unit as $60. Okay, so that means this part here is $60 that Charles received from Beth? Well, so Beth gave him $60. So the total amount of money given to friends, okay, Beth gave to Alice and Charles would be 420 plus 60 together, gave away. So total, she gave $480 to her friends.